Hello viewers, you're welcome once again to Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to continue from where we stopped in finding the derivative of what? Cos x, which is what? Minus cosec squared x, which is our what? Our last derivative. Come on, let's go. So we are going to use our first principle. Using first principle method, we are going to have that d over dx of f of x is equals to limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So the limit as h approaches 0, our f is what? Cot x plus h minus cot x all over h. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Cot is equal to what? Cos over sine. Remember that cot is equal to 1 over tan and cot is equal to cos over what? Sine. So we are going to put x plus h minus cos x all over sine x all over what? H. So we are having a fraction within a fraction. So what are we going to do? We are going to have limit as h approaches 0. We are going to put this fraction, this last denominator as 1 over h all over the LCM of what? This first fraction here. So we are having the LCM is sine x plus h sine x. So this thing into this is equals to what? This one we cancel. We are left with what? Sine x times cos x plus h minus this one into this one. This one we cancel. We are left with cos x sine x plus h. So we can start from the other one. So we are going to have that 1 multiplied by all these things is what? I said limit. Remember to always put your limit. Limit as h approaches 0 of sine x cos x plus h minus cos x sine x plus h all over h multiplying this thing will give us what? H sine x plus h sine x. Ha! Can you see what is on the board? We have sine x plus bracket x plus h minus cos x sine x plus h all over h sine x plus h sine x. What are we going to do? If we keep on expanding this thing, that means this whole board will full. So we are going to apply a common sense. Remember, we have minus here. And remember in our 3D thing, compound angles, that we have sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Can we apply it here? We are seeing sine x cos x plus h minus cos x sine x plus h. Can we reason out something? Yes, frequency, we can reason out something. So watch and see. We are going to have h limit as h approaches 0. Can we call this thing sine? Let's relate this thing to this formula I gave you guys here. Can we call this x a? We can call it a. We can replace it with sine. Just let's write it a on top. Cos. Just see what we are going to do. X plus h. Let's call this one b so that it can imitate this sine a minus b here. So minus cos x. Let me call this one again. Sin x plus h. Let me call this one again. Are you seeing something? Let's go. All over h sin x plus h sin x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Sin a cos. let's let's just take this x as what? A, and take this x plus h as what? A. Taking this x as A, x plus h as what? A. So what we are seeing now is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Just think about this thing. Just relax your brain. See what you'll be seeing now. This thing here. Are you seeing it now? So let's record it in the form of A minus what? B. So our A is equal to what? X. A is equal to x, then B is equal to what? X plus h. So we are going to have, remember that our sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So our x is now what? A. X plus h is now what? B. Let's put it in this form. Putting it in this form will be sin x minus, are you seeing it? Minus x plus h. This A is representing this x, this B is representing this x plus h. So when we open it, we have sin x minus h. So this one we cancel out. We are left with what? Sin minus sin h. You see it now. So we are left with what? Minus sin h. Because when it multiplies, it's going to give us what? Minus sin h. So all these things, can we write it as minus sin h? Do you see the trick? That's why I told you that this cut is the simplest. You get? So we can just take all this expression as what? Minus sin h. All over h sin x plus h sin x. So we are going to have limit as h approaches 0. Minus, remember, this thing can be written as all over h times 1 all over sin x plus h sin x. Because when you multiply it, you are going to get what? This value. So remember, because of an angle over the angle, the limit of the angle is approaching 0 is what? 1. So we have minus 1 times 1 over the limit of this one is approaching 0. Please always remember to write your limit. So if I put 0 here, x plus 0 is what? 0. Sin times x is what? Sin x. Sin x times sin x is what? Sin squared x. So we have minus 1 times 1 over sin. You no need of writing it again. What is 1 over sin x? Remember, 1 over sin x is equal to what? Cosec x. Then 1 over cos, 1 over sin squared x will be what? Cosec squared x times minus 1, which is what? Minus cosec squared x. So therefore, the f prime of x is equal to minus cosec squared x. Proved. Thank you for viewing and may God bless you. This is the final derivative. See you next time.